What up, Racing League fam? This is the unboxing of the Cube Controls CSX3. As promised, a little bit later than expected. I was a bit lazy after work. That's a tight fit. That's how we like it, tight fit. Get rid of that. Alright. As you can see, maybe, yeah, made in Italy. I hope it's better than the roads in Naples. Or Rome, or maybe any place in Italy, apart from the circuits. Open the box and it says race hard. That's what we'll do, hopefully. Like Scipio said, when is the 156 coming of Alton Park with the Porsche Cup? And we will make it real, hopefully. Coming race with this steering wheel. Lovely packed with softening cushioning. I bet this is the wheel in a bag, a fabric bag. Wow, look at that. Now that's what we call a proper wheel. I ordered the one with the 6 pedals because more is more instead of less is more. Wow, feels amazing. So this is what they say is like the clutch. You can see it has way more travel than, let's say, the shifter, which only has like a couple millimeters, while this is like a centimeter. Then you have the top one, which can be used as additional buttons. The dials also feel very firm, like compared to the wheel that I now have, the Acer. If you spin too hard on the dials, it will not register. So I'm very curious how this will work. For instance, if you're using a dial for your volume or your brake bias, you want to turn it really fast to lower it faster, or yeah. If you want to go from let's say 100 volume to 20, yeah, that you don't have to turn like 80 times, but that it registers all the little clicks that you hear. So you only have to turn like 5 times or something. That would be wonderful. What's also included is the wire to attach it, as it's not wireless. So that's something like this, with a nice extension cord, with some good flex, and USB for the computer connection. Let's see where this goes. I think I read it was magnetic, so you can just, okay, wow, that really snaps on. You have to pull hard. Nice. But you can also immediately see in the wheel, like the white thing, if it's visible. Seems like also a connector of some kind, but it's not for this. This is just that. Wow, 3D printed. I mean, or rather. Oh yeah. It's fully black coated and then this is cut out as it has the 3D effect. So it's actually just aluminum, if I'm not mistaken, and then it's black coated. Then the print is cut out by the CNC machine or something. Proper stuff. And these are the tools, yeah, for connecting. Also a pincer, but this one is made of plastic, so the pincing capacity is not gonna be huge. And also this, I have no idea what this is. Maybe some spacers for the shifters in the back. I don't know. Maybe to take the top shifters out with the 2 bolts on each side and then bolt this on to cover up. You know. Oh wow, what else is here in terms of buttons, because the box is pretty empty, it's just more softening cushions. So that's done. So we have 4 dials which rotate very nicely. Then we have 2 more dials, like small ones here, where you can also click them to the sides like a joystick, it seems. Same on this side. You can also rotate here, I think, yep. So you can also configure stuff here. Maybe this will be interesting to go up and down in menus or left and right. All buttons, really snappy, really solid stuff, nice. And this is really interesting. You have like an on-off switch here. And on this side the same. This could be interesting for engine cut off or turn on for a pit strategy. Nice. So in total we have 6 backlit buttons. Yeah, it's not plugged in, so you won't see much at the moment. Maybe I can try plugging it in this laptop. If that does something. Maybe start the thing. Yeah, alright. Look at that. A little light show. Yeah, now the computer is starting. It's an older model that my wife uses. But as you can see, everything is backlit. These lights on the side are for ABS and TC, I think. Or maybe it's these ones, where you also, that I now see, also have turning knobs, which might be even interesting for TC or ABS control, as they're close to the buttons, so that's easy to remember. Maybe. I have no idea what else I can show. I think that will be all, folks. The next video will be of the race. I will try to do it tomorrow. Oh yeah, by the way, the material of the hand grips, it's quite hard. Yeah, it's like, I think I read it's like rubber. Yeah, nice. Seems like a proper format for my hands. Yeah, that'll do nice. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the little video. If I now look at the clock, it's already 10 minutes that I'm talking. unboxing. So hope you enjoyed, and I hope you look forward to the next one, which is gonna be of the Sim Hub connection tomorrow or something, and a first race. Alright, see ya.